Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can just simply unlink the audio from a video in Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have put in a video in my editing program, and I have connected some audio to it. As you can see, both are linked because if I select one of them, both of them will be selected at the same time. And this is just a simple voiceover that I did. It is nothing major. I did it for a different tutorial. And what you want to do to actually unlink these, and this works for videos that have audio natively, you just want to go into the edit tab, which is the third from the left in the bottom toolbar. And as you can see, I have the video up here and the audio in the audio track at the bottom. And as you can see, once I select one of them, both will be selected since they are linked. Now there is a very simple way to unlink these, and it is literally just 2 button presses. You want to select both at the same time and then just right click on them. And as you can see, the most bottom option is the link clips option, which also has the shortcut of Control Alt and L, and you can very easily just click that and it'll unlink them. And now you can select them individually, and I can link them again if I did the same. And just to demonstrate, Control Alt and L unlinks them as well, and that is pretty much it. Now as you can see, if they are linked, they will have this sort of link icon, and if they are unlinked, they will not have that icon. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.